Okay, next is on verifying formulas using Rangefinder. Okay, what is Rangefinder? Why Rangefinder? Okay, Rangefinder allows you to correct mistakes by making immediate changes to the cells referenced in a formula. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, double click cell I4 to activate I4. Okay, press the escape key to quit. Alright, Rangefinder. So this is Rangefinder. Okay, Rangefinder means you want to find for that particular cell, okay, what cells are involved in that particular cell. Okay, so over here for text percentage, okay, it is actually an addition of G4 federal tax and state tax, and then divide by the gross pay. Okay, so that is the function of Rangefinder. Okay, how to close the Rangefinder? Just click the escape key. Okay, let's say you want to know the gross pay. How to get the what is the formula for gross pay? Double click, and you will get the formula. Okay, the range involved. All right. So here, okay, D6. What is D6? Hours work. Okay, and then times. Okay, multiply by E6. Okay, the hourly pay rate. All right. So that's the formula for gross pay. Okay, escape. Next is formatting the worksheet. Okay, turn to page 792 to change the workbook theme. Okay, this is the cosmetic part of Excel. Okay, click page layout to display the page layout tab. Okay, next click the themes button. Okay, to display the themes gallery. Themes button. Okay, point to several themes in themes gallery to preview themes, and then lastly you have to click ion in the themes gallery. Okay, once you point here, it will change to this format, these themes: integral, retrospect, banded, crop, okay, feathered, and we choose ion. Okay, so this is the theme that we chose. Next is to format the worksheet titles. Display the home tab. Select the range to be merged, A1 to K1, A1, okay. Why up to K1? Because our table is up to K1, okay, to make it attractive, to make it nice, all right. A1 to K1, okay, and then click the merge and center button to merge, okay, merge and center. Right, next select the range A2, K2. This is the subtitle. Okay, merge and center. Next, select the range to contain the title cell style. In this case, A1, A2. Okay, A1, A2. Click the cell styles button to display the cell styles gallery. Cell style. Where is cell style? This one. Where is cell style? I couldn't see cell style. Oh, here. Sorry. Okay, and then click the title cell style in the cell style gallery to display to apply the title cell. Okay, title. Okay, titles and heading, title. So it changed to title cell style. And then next, select cell A2 to decrease the font size to of the selected cell to the next lower font size. Okay, just click decrease font size. Okay, all right. Okay, so it's smaller than the title. Okay, next To change the background color and apply a box border to the worksheet title and subtitle, select the range A1, A2. Then click the fill color arrow. Fill color. Okay, you may point to view. Alright, so here click blue, gray, SN5 lighter 60%. Blue. Is it blue? No, this one is blue. Blue, gray, SN5 lighter 60%. Yes, this one. Click. Okay, click the borders arrow. Borders arrow. Okay, click the tick outside borders in the borders gallery. Okay, click tick outside borders. Click anywhere in the worksheet. Okay, to deselect. Okay, so this is our current format for title and subtitle. Next is to apply a cell style to the column headings and format the total rows. Select the range to be formatted, A3 to K3, A3 to K3, and the headings. Use the cell style gallery to apply the heading 3 cell style. Heading 3. Heading 3. Click the center button. Center the column heading. Center. And next, apply the total cell style to the range A13, K13. A13, K13. Okay, what is the cell style? Total. Okay. Bold the range A14, A16. A14, A16. Bold. Okay. Next, to format dates and center data in cells, select the range to contain the new date format, cells K4, K12, K4, K12. Click the Format Cells Number Format dialog box launcher. Okay. If necessary, click the Number tab from Number tab. Number tab. Number tab, date dialog box. Okay, and then click the format that has been shown in the textbook. Is this the format? This is the format. Is it? Okay, it's different. The month is, I think the month is the first one. The middle is the date of the day. Middle is date. Let's see. Same. Okay, this one. Right, US, English US, and then click OK. Right, select the range C4, C16, C4, C16. Then click the center button to center. Center. Select cell E4 to deselect the selected range. Next, to apply an accounting number format and comma style format using the ribbon. Select the range to contain the accounting number. Cells E4, H4. E4, H4. E4, H4. While holding down the control key, select J4. Select cell J4. Control key J4. Okay, and then F13H13, F13H13, cell J13. So this is called the non-adjacent cell. Okay, J13. Click the accounting number format button. Okay, accounting number format, accounting. Okay. Select the ranges to contain the comma style E5H12, E5H12, J5J12, J5J12. So this is also called the non-adjacent cell. Okay, because you choose a different range of cells. Okay, and then click the comma style button. Comma. Okay. Select the range D4, D16, D. Where is the D4, D16? Okay, D4, D16. Click the comma style as well. Okay, comma. Alright. Next, to apply a currency style format with a floating $sign using the format cells dialog box, select ranges E14H16, E14H16. Click number format dialog box launcher. Click the number tab. Click currency. Okay, currency. And then click the third style. Third style. Okay, it's not an issue if yours is RM and or $sign. Okay, you can just change it actually. Alright. Okay, so RM. In the negative numbers list, to select the desired currency format. Click OK. Alright. Next is to apply a percent style format and use the increase decimal button. Select the range to format cells I4, I15. Click the percent style button to display the numbers in the selected range as a rounded whole percent. Okay, 25%, 26%. Okay, click the increase decimal button to display the numbers in the selected range with 2 decimal places. Increase decimal. Okay, next is on conditional formatting. This is actually the most important part in this chapter. How to apply conditional formatting. Usually you will given questions on conditional formatting for your individual assignment and for the hands-on test. Yeah? So you'll need to know on how to come up with this conditional formatting, how to use it, where to find it. Okay, so to apply conditional formatting, select the range D4, D12, D4, D12. Okay, so what we want here is click the conditional formatting button, click the new rule. What do we want? Yeah, afterwards, find conditional formatting button first, home, conditional formatting. Click new rule on the conditional formatting. So this is a new rule. Okay, so we need to set the rule. Click format only cells that contain. Format only cells that contain. Okay. In the edit the rule description area, click the arrow in the relational operator box. Okay, and then select greater than. Okay, this is between, change it to greater than. Okay, select the rightmost box and then type 72 to enter the value of the rule description. 72. So what do we want here is, okay, format only cells that contain cell value of greater than 72 hours work. Okay, so what we want to do, okay, the format that we want to set for this number, right, greater than 72 hours. Click the format button over here. Okay, format. Okay, you can change the font color, you can change the font size, font style. Okay, click the format button. If necessary, click the font tab to display the font sheet. Click the color arrow. Okay, color arrow. And then click white background 1. White background 1. Okay, to select the font color, click the fill tab. Okay, over here fill tab. Click blue color in column 9. Blue color. Is this the color? Column 9. Row 1. Not this color. This color, is it? Okay. Next to green. Blue. Okay, next. Click the OK button. Okay, to close the format cells dialog box and display the new formatting rule dialog box. Okay. OK. So this will be the formatting that you have set for cell value greater than 72. Click the OK button. Click anywhere to see the changes. See? Okay. The cells that contain greater than 72 has been highlighted using this cell color, blue color, white font. Alright, greater than 72 hours. 72.5, 80, 75.75 and the rest. Okay. Right. Next is to change column width. Okay, drag through column A, column headings A, B and C above row 1 to select the column A, B, C. Point to the boundary on the right side of the column C to close the pointer. Alright, I have taught you about how to adjust the width of the column in our previous class, during our previous class. So this is the way. So double click the right boundary of C. Okay, you may see here we can't see the employee's name, the email address in full, the dependent heading, title. All right, double click and you will get all in size. All right. Point to the right boundary of column H. Column H. Okay, when the pointer changes to a split double arrow, drag until the screen tip indicates 10.25. 10.25. Cannot. Or you can just type. Alright, right click. Column width 10.25. Okay. Alright. And then click the column D heading above row 1. Column D. While holding down the control key, click column E heading. Okay, column E. And then column I heading. I. Okay, and then point to the boundary on the right side of column I, drag until the screen tips indicates with 7.5. 7.5. 7.5. Okay, 7.5. Click the column F heading and drag to select column G, F, G. While holding the control key, click column J and then drag to select column K heading. Okay, K. Drag right boundary of column G to 11. 11. If it is so difficult for you to drag, just right click. Right click. Click anywhere such as A18 to deselect the columns. Okay, anywhere. What happened to this one? Just double click. Okay. Right, to change row height, this is different just now because we are using RM. RM is the width is greater than $sign. Okay, change row height, point to the boundary below row heading 3 until the pointer becomes a split double arrow. Drag down until the screen tip indicates 48. 48. 48. Okay. And then point to the boundary below heading 14 until the pointer becomes a split double arrow. 14. Drag until 27. 27. Sorry. 27. Okay. Right. Next. Okay. Next is okay, we have done some part of it. Okay, next part will be continued in our next recording.